Hello everybody, welcome to our new Hayabusa project. So we've got this new project in the garage. This bike isn't actually mine, it's Scottie's, who does a lot of writing for the classicmotorbikes.net website, and he's got a few jobs he wants doing on it, and I said I'd help him out and get it done so he's got a daily run around. Now I know what you're all thinking, where's the turbo project? It's been taking me a little bit longer than I anticipated, and there's been a few challenges and I've been doing a lot of learning. So I'm going to have a video coming out very soon for that. But in between the turbo videos, we're going to have a couple of Hayabusa videos as well. So if you want to make sure you don't miss any of the videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get a notification every time we do an upload. So what are we doing with this project? Well, the bike's got a Chinese body kit on, which we're going to take off. And in a big box, we've actually got the original Suzuki bodywork. We're going to put all that back on and change the paint scheme because Scottie's not a fan of the blue and silver. We're also got some parts coming for Mad for Bikes. They're helping Scottie out with the project. We've got brake calipers to do. We're taking the old 6 pots off and putting some GSX-R 4 pots on. We've got a 4x2x1 exhaust system to put on as well. And another thing Scottie's asked me to do, because my welding's been getting better and better, is to do a clutch mod, which I'll explain more in the next video. We're also going to powder coat the wheels and give the bike a good check over because Scottie's going to use this as his daily ride, so he just wants to make sure it's mechanically sound, easy to keep clean and nice to ride. So the first job, and what we're going to do today, is we're going to take all the bodywork off and then we're going to have a look under the skin of the bike and see if we find any more problems with it. So let's crack on, shall we? So we've stripped the bodywork down from the Busa that's behind me. As you can see, I've left the tank on. I've also left the front mudguard on. Now I'll explain later on while I've left the mudguard on. Now it's at this stage I can have a look around, see if I find any faults. The main thing is the Chinese bodywork has been rubbing on the tank. It's not the end of the world. Bill's pretty good at cleaning and at polishing, so I'm going to see if he can give it a bit of a polish and a clean up and see how he can get on. He's got loads of polishes and bits and bobs like that. The next thing I found is this engine casing. It's got some oil leaking and it looks like it might have touched the ground at some point, but it's hard to tell because it's pretty dirty. The whole bike's pretty dirty, as you can see here. It would benefit from a good clean. Now, one of the reasons why we're powder coating the wheels is there's a bit of corrosion around it and it doesn't look the best. And while looking at the wheels, you can see there the fork seals are leaking, so they're going to need replacing. Now I'll take the front mudguard off when I take the wheel out and take the forks out for them to be rebuilt, so I'm going to need some seals and oil for that. One of the other strange things I see when looking around the bike is that engine bolt is missing and the one on the other side is missing as well, which is a bit unusual. So, a bit unusual, not sure why that is, but it's something else to do. So Scottie's got a load of parts coming for Mad for Bikes. We've got a 4-into-1 exhaust, we've got brake pads and all sorts of stuff like that. Next week's video I'm going to do the clutch mod and I'll explain more in depth about what I'm doing and why I'm doing it, but it's going to involve me doing some TIG welding, which I'm very excited about. Now if you've got any ideas for the project, or if there's any Hayabusa owners out there, is there anything you think I should look at or look for or check out on the bike to make sure it's all good to go for Scottie as his daily rider? Please let us know in the comments, and if you've enjoyed the video and you're looking forward to the project, please give the video a big thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss out on any of the Busa project videos or any of our other project videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and you'll get a notification every time we do an upload, which is normally on a Sunday evening. So that's it for this video. So until next time, we'll see you later.